Hi guys, I'm in between auctions right now, and I decided to try to do something real quickly. Lexus is between the years of about 2005-ish to about 2010, and Toyota products across the board had a problem with making dashes that were really trashy. They started to fall apart. A lot of them got sticky. A lot of them, what is it? They just started cracking. They looked unsightly, and it wasn't just Lexus. I mean, it could be a Toyota Sienna, the Avalon, but the Lexus ES, the Lexus RX, the Lexus GX, the Lexus IS. They have this tendency to get really sticky or really cracky and look just terrible. So there's a company that makes something, and it's a cover, not like these carpeted covers, but actually a cover that clips over the dash, and you buy it, and you just slide it over the sticky, nasty, gooey, cracky dash. You fix it with some glue points, and theoretically, it looks great. The thing is this component costs like $450. Okay, they're not cheap. But I bought one right here. Came in this big box. I ordered it on eBay. That's where the company sells them from. I can't remember the name, but I'll put a link into this video in a second. And I'm going to go ahead and try to install this thing with one hand. It comes in this gigantic box, and this is the thing. Hold on here. You're going to just get me just wrangling all of this with one hand. Hold on, hang on with me. And it's all coming out right here. Now they come in. There you go. There it is in all of its glory. They come in multiple colors to match the various dashes. I'm going to put this down for a second and get this last stuff off. And now they're supposed to come with glue for installation. It looks like this one doesn't have it in the kit. I've done this before on Suburbans, and it works out pretty well. Suburbans have a notorious cracking dash during a certain area. These things are pretty hardy in their design. These covers, God, they love to use masking tape on this thing. There's so much masking tape. Now, I'm on a little bit of a time crunch when I'm doing this. So, there you go. That's it. Can you see it? That's the thing. And look, I just happen to have a Lexus here with a sticky, gooey dash. So let's open it. Come on. Those things. So this is the stuff right here. This thing has got this sticky, gooey dash stuff going on, all right? Now, in some of the video, this is upside down. That's better. Sorry. In some of the video, I've seen people installing this extra remove the windshield. So we're going to try without doing that. I might have to send this over to a windshield shop, have them pull the windshield. It's about $100 to do that, and have them put it back in. You might break a windshield, and you might have to buy a new windshield. So, this could be a pricey process, but maybe it's worth it, because honestly, this is driving me crazy. This sticky, gooey dash. I'm very particular with my cars. Now, I'm hoping this is a match. But that looks pretty dark to this. But no, I did look at it. It looked like it was dark gray. But let's try this out. We're just going to take this. We've got so little time here. Seriously, I've got to jump into auctions in a second. So we're going to take this. We're going to... Hold on here. Let's put you right there. There we are. You can see what I'm doing. I'm going to lower this down. I'm just going to start the car. Might be a little easier to start. I'm noticing that we have a little problem here. The steering wheel gets in the way of everything, so getting around the steering wheel looks like it's going to take a little finagling. That's not too hard. There, just ignore them. Alright, so we snip that on, move this over all the little components. Alright, there you go, there's the cover. And what I'm probably going to have to do is glue this down, but that's a pretty good match. There's the colors. We're going to go in, I'll probably go with some glue and work this in a little bit more. And there you go, though. It's far better than the thing that it originally had. It actually is a pretty good match to the original color. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get glue, and I'm going to actually tab this down. And there you go. There's the new cover on it. Honestly, it looks really close to factory. What I have to do, though, is we have to go in and we're going to have to really press this stuff down and make this kind of match. But I think we're going to be okay. So there you go. I'll put a link into this thing. I did this in with one hand in under 5 minutes. The gluing part doesn't take very much time, which uses silicone-based glue. You push it down, and one of the things I've done in the past is I've actually put a little bit of felt in between 2 layers, because if there's any vibration, that'll help diminish vibration as well. So there you go. If you don't like a sticky, gross dash, this is a quick little video to show you how to fix that on a Lexus Toyota product. I'll put a link below on where to go to get that thing. Again, it's $450, but honestly, it looks way less trashy than having a sticky or cracked up dash. And from what I'm told, those last a long time. So we'll see. This is Aaron. If you have questions about cars, let me know. I've got to get back to the auctions and buy cars now. Bye.